Gun. Sari sini. Buat apa? Betul mana? Betul ini.
Udah sudah pas aduan. Ay, macam itu.
Ay.
Mardian David. Yes, so points. 5 points lead. Team Orange. And we should have Pardillo. There's a result. Foul number 7. Legal use of hands. That is your second foul, first team foul. Left line, David. On the server, yes, who wants? Michael. 14 seconds, shut up.
Sus.
Jersey number 04, illegal use of hands. That is your first foul. Second team foul. Shot clock reset to 14. Deflected, out of bounds. The shot clock 10 seconds. Attempt for 3, number 17, no good. There's a whistle. Fourth foul, number 74. Holding foul, that is your second foul, Marco, as third of the team. The shot clock 14 seconds. Then to shoot.
Ay, nako. Niman.
Sayang itu.
Number 25 and 24. 24, first foul, first team foul. Substitution. Number 27. The shot clock 20 seconds. From the corner short, rebound Pardillo. Ball out the bounds. And turnover.
Hoy, Pardillo, taruha magpasa.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Super pulls up, no good. Rebound by number 24. Out the bounds. Disable, shot clock 14 seconds. Okay. Shot clock 14. Number 7. Shot clock 10 seconds. On the ball, single. Shot clock 8 seconds.
Go, Mego.
Shot clock 5. Good.
Hala, diretso na, Bong. Ay, nako, Bong.
Ball goes to number 2. Shot clock 20, lays up, yes, 2 points. 1 point lead, Team Orange. 17 against 16.
Score, Perdilio, score.
14 seconds shot clock.
Ay, nice, Perdilio.
Under the basket, Pardillo.
Nice, Perdilio.
Shot sa na yun.
Shot clock 14. In and out.
Wala, Perdilio. Nice, score, Perdilio, score.
Pardillo down. 2 points. Back-to-back 2 by Pardillo.
Babay na.
14 seconds shot clock. Yes, 2 points. 21-18. 3 points lead by Team Orange. Shot clock 14 seconds. 10 to shoot. Now 7-3. Time out. Team Black.
Perdilio,
Team Black basketball.
Ay, sa iyo. Ay, ang idol. Ay, Ariola. Dapat nagtindog ko alis kaso. Hindi makita mga kuan ba, tukod dong
Our 25. No good.
Shot, Perdilio, shot.
14 seconds shot clock.
Balik, Perdilio, kulang. Anak, dito na. Ay!
Deflected. Out of bounds. Same ball.
bola.
Shot clock 6 seconds. 6 seconds to shoot. Out of 5.
Okay, nice.
Block.
Shot clock violation. Turnover.
Kaya kay Iskura, Choy. Dura, lugamay. Dito mo.
Double for 3. 2, another 2 points. Sorry. Stepping.
Nag!
Tres, pre.
Bangko
Tres.
ng labaw sa Team Orange. Shot clock
Ay, Tris,
14.
score.
Out of the basket again. Pardillo.
Nice, Perdilio.
14 seconds shot clock.
Hey! Dagan! Dagan! Hey!
Ball out of bounds.
Kau ba na to niya? Puro ba ito yung gidakop lagi?
Backcourt man.
Mula sa
Backcourt.
Team Orange. Shot clock 14 seconds.
Pila na? Uy, ano 20?
10 seconds shot clock.
Tres!
Out deflected.
Score!
Last seconds. Rebound na rin.
Naka-block ato. Kasi naka-block ato.
28.
Ariola?
20.
Ariola?
8 points lead ang Orange.
Ano ka, kadunggan mo?
Jersey number 47. Legal use once. First foul, second team foul. Time out, Team Orange. Run score 3 for the charge, same out. Team Black basketball. Shot clock 17 seconds. Shot clock 14. Pull up jumper short. Two minutes. Shot clock 14.
Ay, unsa man to, uy?
Kaya ay! Babay na!
Garcia. 2.
Kaya kaya to, uy.
14 seconds shot clock. 3-point jumper short.
Ay, wala ka po.
Go, Amigo!
No pass to Garcia. Back to back 2. And choose number 10. Garcia.
Go, Manong ko!
Basta yun, Basilio.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 10.
Dagan! Agad!
Unsa man to nga pasay?
Traveling violation. Substitution. In 1 minute 4 seconds remaining time.
Kanap ka na, no?
Oh.
Unsa man to nga pasay?
And 59 seconds. Fifty-nine seconds remaining time.
Why ball?
50 seconds. Remaining.
Mega, mega.
Agad!
Time out, Team Black.
Sikap na.
Team Orange basketball. Out of
Napay
bounds.
doon kalabi. Babay na.
Nasa ila diri ang mabait kong champion.
45 seconds.
Alay diri.
Oh, black bloopers. Black bloopers.
Diretso na ba?
Our team drives. Out of bounds. Single. Shot clock 13 seconds.
Ines. Anak. Split. Claro.
10 seconds shot clock. Down to 5. Number 17 shot.
Ay, nako, nako.
Normal shot clock. 20 seconds.
Go, Amigo!
2 points. Number 2. Fernandez. 10 seconds. Marquinho. Out of bounds. 6.5 seconds. 6.5. 5 seconds. 3. And of the second period, with that score, 28 all.
Libre mo na sa court. Sigurado naman sa kayo mo.
Rosak Garcia off the glass, 2 points.
Agak mo ganyan. Bilis sila kung super. Hindi naman sila mapulit.
14 seconds shot up. 10 seconds shot up. Down to 5. 24 seconds shot clock violation. Ball na touch the ring. Turnover.
Sila lang naman, be. 76 years old.
Garcia points up. Yes, 2 points. Martino. There's a whistle.
Hindi naman kayo kung anong jersey ba?
Jersey number 2, pushing foul. Substitution. Fernandez, second foul. First of the team. In shot clock, 16 seconds. A turnover.
Hindi namin naan.
14 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Under the basket. 2. 34-28 in favor of Pinta. Number 7 lines, deflected by good number 2. Nice pass from number 3. Time out, Team Williams. Right.
Bali na mag-score.
Shot clock 14. And a step. Number score up, he has 2 points. 10 points lead, Team Black. Right behind, goes number 7, shot. Ball out of bounds. Turnover.
Ben, Ben! Ben!
14 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Yes, 2 points. 40-28. Posting ang lamang sa Biblia. Number 24. Magana sa labas, number 17. 3. Shot clock 14 seconds. 10 to shoot. Pull up, no good. Rebound goes to number 24. Number 03.
Sigpangayo.
Nasa sa labas, number 7. Out of bounds. Substitution. Yangson in for jersey number 7. Number 7 in from Team Black to for number 25. Yes, 2 points. 42-31. Shot clock. Number 24 under the basket. 2 points. Shot clock 14 seconds. 10 to shoot. Good. Follow up 2 points. 14 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Round 5, block 3, number 17, short. Ball out of bounds. Football. Shot clock 14 seconds. Pardillo lays up. Yes, 2 points. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10 seconds. Number 2, David. Number 5. First foul, second out the team. Second shot clock. Number 33 back to number 17, pulls up, no hit. Yes, 2 points. 44-37. Shot clock 14 seconds. Garcia short. Ball out of bounds. Bola sa team orange. Out of bounds. 2 minutes. For the second shot clock, William Jumper, 2 points.
Okay na sila dito yan.
Pardillo dives and a foul. Basket is good. Foul number 2, lucky foul, 1 free throw for Pardillo. Number 2, second foul. First foul, rather, third of the game.
Mag-honor na kanina si Sir.
Shot clock 14 seconds. 10 to shoot. Number 7, no pass to number. Lays up, yes, 2 points. 46-41. 5 na lang labaw. Hinda. Shot clock 14, seconds to play. No good. Rebound jersey number 17. Pass to Visitasyon. 14 seconds shot clock. Attemper. Back to number 17.
Ang miss balong yan.
Shot clock 5 seconds. Under the net. No good. Rebound by Garcia. 30 seconds. And the Shepherd number 24. 20 seconds. Shot clock 14. Then to shoot. One more shot now. Yes, 2 points. Yeah.
Kok, mas balong naman.
Now pass number 5, go. Out of bounds. Number 17 goes up. There's a whistle.
Ang naman is balong niya. Oh.
Jersey number 10. Pushing foul. Substitution. Number 10, second foul. First team foul. Garcia, no good. Rebound Marquinhos. Number 7, red line, no good.
Nawa ay, mag-itsa-itsa pagid.
Pull up jumper, 2 points, Garcia.
It's a play!
Fourteen second shot clock. Again, no good.
May foul naman.
Garcia, back to back 2. Substitution.
Balik na mapunsi.
Right score 52 against 41. Shot clock 14 seconds. Number 47, 2 points. 9 points lead. Team Black. Second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Down to 5. Pulls up just number 2. 2 points. Yes, 2 points. Visitación. Shot clock 14 seconds. There to shoot. Out of bounds, single. Shot clock 4 seconds. 4 seconds to shoot. Good. Arturo, in and out. Fadeaway jumper, 2 points. 56-45. 11 points lead by Team Black. Shot clock 14 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 7, right line, no good. Ang basket, wala pa rin. Ball number 24. Number 24, nice. Yes, 2 points. Shot clock 14 seconds. Turn to shoot. 2 points. Garcia. Martillo off the glass. 2 points. Big 49. 9 points lead. Team Black. Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 10 seconds. Garcia. Good. Basket 95. Substitution number 27 in from Team Orange.
Liwan ba yun?
For the second shot clock, Hagunas. There's a whistle. Whistle number 2. Hit 2 free throws. Pass off. Shot clock 14 seconds. First team foul. Team Black. Game 3 by number 17, you're good. Deflected. Racing ball. Shot clock, 9 seconds. 9 to shoot. Number 7. Oh, 5 seconds shot clock. Deflected again. To bounce. Substitution number 03 in for jersey number 27. 2 minutes 50 seconds in the final period.
Manlong!
Garcia back to number 72. The ball jersey number 7. Pass to Martillo. 14 seconds shot back. Back to Visitacion. There's a foul. Jersey number 05, pushing foul. 2 free throws. Second foul, second team foul. 2 free throws for number 34. First throw 1 point for Martillo. Second throw, ready jumper. Two out and 2. Papa. Team Black, second team foul. Team Orange, first team foul. Second shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. And there's a fair by number 73. Number 73 lands. Foul violation, turnover. Shot clock, 7 seconds. There's a whistle. Foul number 73. Legal use once. Number 73, first foul, second team foul. Shot clock, present 14. Good. Garcia. Wala pa rin. There's a whistle. Relax. Chillax. Relax lang. Post foul left. Number 10. Pushing foul. Okay, jersey number 10. Second foul, third team foul. Shot clock continue. 19 seconds shot clock. Time remaining 1 minute 41 seconds in the final period. All along our 25 to 16-51.
Locking yawan. Kaya katawag ni Piri.
And Seymour, shot clock 14, 1 minute and 20. Lagunas. Good. Number 2 again, the Junior. There's a whistle. Jersey number 7. We got the top 2 free throws. Substitution. Number 7. The first foul, third of the team. First throw, basket, no good. Second throw. Jumpers ready, miss rebound. Time remaining 1 minute 4 seconds. 0 out of 2. Martinho rebounds to number 73. There's a contact. Number 7, blocking foul. Wala pa. Number 7, third foul. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. In 60 seconds, shot clock 14. Martinho.
Son, man, son.
28 seconds.
Tabangi ba, tabangi.
Seconds. Shot clock 14. And the shoot. Pulls up, no good. Van Garcia. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 05 holding. Penalty, no free throws. Third foul number 05. Second throw, ready jumper. Remaining time 28 seconds. Last 28 seconds. And 0 out of 2. Ball out of bounds. Mula sa Biblia, 27 seconds. Seconds. On jersey number 24 by Dio, first foul, fourth of the team. Warning for penalty, Team Orange. Shot clock, 20 seconds. And that's it, no more shot clock. 15 seconds by Dio. Okay. 10 seconds.
Paulason!
5 seconds. And the final period, final score